Welcome to Learn Sword and Typing with Vikasar. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is a moral test. Dictation will be 10 minutes and 100 word per minute. Heading is a moral test. Be ready? Start. A year after the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic, UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has criticized the many examples of vaccine nationalism and hoarding in the world. Making available vaccines equitably presents the greatest moral test of our times. He added, in spite of exhortation by international organizations and efforts to pool resources in a way that all countries could at the earliest begin in inoculating at least a fraction of their most vulnerable. Several countries were unable to administer a single dose, although vaccines were beginning to be stockpiled since November last. In Africa, only 13 countries, according to the Bloomberg tracker, have begun vaccinating. In contrast, over 10% of the US population has been fully vaccinated or got both doses, as has 3% of the EU. The percentage is nearly double when accounting for their populations that have got at least one dose, reaching as high as 34% in the UK. India is the third biggest vaccinator among countries, having administered about 26 million doses or about 1.91 doses per 100 people, but it has fully vaccinated only 0.3% of its population. While India has earned laurels for its vaccine diplomacy, the fact is that there are several public health centers, villages, and districts where no vaccines have been administered. Though vaccination in the second phase appears to have picked up, there were only 1.7 million in calculation on Friday evening, as opposed to the planned vaccination capacity of 5.4 million. India aims to inoculate at least 250 million with two doses from March, July, or over 3.3 million doses per day. But at least India has administered 1.8 million doses per day. There is also an apparent class divide, with the rich and those better informed disproportionately getting vaccinating as compared to the poor. Thus, along with the global inequity in accessing vaccination, India is seeing a version of it play out 3 months since vaccinations began. The inequality was expected, as like many rich countries, the US contracted with many vaccine companies for several times the doses it needed. It was precisely this that had led to concerns of vaccine nationalism. The pipeline of supply was largely dependent on India and China. The Serum Institute, Bharat Biotech, and several other pharma companies are private entities and bound by contracts to the highest bidders and not necessarily the Indian government. While the reprieve is that more vaccines are in the pipeline, there will always be the concern that the poor, the old, and the digitally naive will be short-changed. The UN and WHO must continue to exert pressure on the privileged nations to improve global availability as well as bear upon countries to improve equitable access within their territory too. Full stop. स्टूडेंट इस आर्टिकल को आप रीडिंग कीजिए प्लस आप इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच ज़रूर कीजिए। इसमें देखो एंटोनियो की इसकी स्पेलिंग्स है, कुछ आपके न्यू वर्ड्स है। जो बच्चे हर डेली का डिक्टेशन करते हैं उनको तो कुछ भी न्यू वर्ड नहीं लगेंगे, लेकिन जो बच्चे अभी तैयारी कर रहे हैं, मतलब अभी ये देख रहे हैं इसको, तो उन बच्चों के लिए काफ़ी न्यू वर्ड्स लग सकते हैं। ओके, आप इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए आप उसमें आपकी कितने मिस्टेक आई, कितने आपके एरर आई। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।